report.
So
based on
for
our
the
report
record, 18 out of 18 transactions randomly selected from the annexes of Sinumpang Salaysay of Honorable Trillanes were confirmed by the AMLC, at least to the extent that similar transactions appear in their report. That is for the record.
So for December 9, 2014, on our records, based on our records, there is a transaction amounting to 16,852,832.94.
Confirmed, Madam Chair.
So similar transaction appear in the AMLC report.
Yes, Madam Chair.
Next.
For March 28, 2014, there is a transaction amounting to 41,721,035 pesos, 0.62.
In other words, it's confirmed. Similar transaction appear in the AMLC report. Next.
For May 19, 2010, there is a transaction that we saw in the amount of 2,001,000 pesos, 563.86.
Confirm similar transaction appear in the AMLC report.
On February 4, 2010, there is a transaction amounting to 10,374,307.49.
Confirmed again, similar transaction appear in the report.
Can we get the last in Annex H? The last one we were unable, in page 10, we were unable to capture.
Kindly state the last transaction in Annex H, Honorable De Lima.
10,374,370
We have confirmed that
307.49 at page 12.
in page 10, Madam Chair.
Page 10.
The transaction in page 10. Wala.
Page 10, that's March 3, 2011.
All right.
In
So,
the amount of 1,750,617.84.
so we informed that there is a transaction on our records dated March 3, 2011 in the amount of 1,750,617.84.
Confirmed.
Confirm similar transaction appear in AMLC report.
Then can we ask the last one, the one involving 1 million pesos, the particular date, Madam Chair?
Meron ba? Page 9, 1 million. Dated March 28, 2011. 1 million? Yes. March 28, 2011.
Okay. We confirm, rather, we inform that there is a transaction in the amount of 1 million on March 28, 2011.
Confirmed as well, similar transaction appear in the AMLC report. That's a total of how many transactions, Honorable De Lima?
It's supposed to be 5.
Total of
Maybe
5 transactions for Annex H, all confirmed by the AMLC. Similar transactions appear in the AMLC report. Are you ready for the next annex?
Yes, Annex I.
Annex I.
That's the one from Samuel Uy. Sami Uy.
Please flash Annex I.
We inform that based on our records, there is a transaction in the amount of 7,440,846.07 on March 17, 2011.
Confirmed.
For the first transaction, confirm. Similar transaction appear in the AMLC report.
We inform that on October 25, 2011, there is a transaction in the amount of 7,440,846.07.
Likewise, confirm for the second transaction. Similar transaction appear in AMLC report. Third,
On April 24, 2012, we inform that there's a transaction in the amount of 7,440,846.07.
the third transaction is likewise confirmed. Similar transaction appear in the AMLC report. So this total of 3 transactions appearing in Annex I with the title Sami Uy Payouts to Sara Duterte and Family, all of this were confirmed by the AMLC that similar transactions appear in their report.
Madam Chair, point of clarification.
Honorable DS J.J. Suarez.
Tama po ba ang pagkaunawa ko na ito pong kinukumpirma ng AMLC ay yung mga lumabas sa sinumpaang salaysay ng ating dating Senador Sonny Trillanes?
That is correct.
So ito po yung mga ilan sa mga bank records na binabanggit. Ngayon po, at nakakailang banggit na po tayo na lumalabas ay tama.
At least similar transactions exist in
Randomly
the
selected.
AMLC report.
These are randomly selected
Yes.
entries. or
Transactions were randomly selected by the Honorable Dilima, and she requested the confirmation of the AMLC whether or not similar transactions appear. And so far, 8 transactions have been confirmed already by the AMLC.
Maraming salamat po,
8
Madam
out
Chair,
of
for the
8.
clarification.
Are you ready to continue, AMLC?
Yes, Madam Chair.
Okay,
for
what annex is that?
Annex B.
Please flash Annex B. First transaction.
So we inform that there is a similar transaction based on our records on June 11, 2015 in the amount of 2,450,000 pesos.
Confirm, similar transaction appear in the AMLC report. Next.
We inform that on December 6, 2013, there is a transaction in the amount of 2,987,542.24.
Confirmed as well, similar transaction appear in the report.
We confirm that on January 31, 2012, there is a transaction in the amount of 2,926,594.60.
Confirmed again, similar transaction appear.
We inform that on May 19, 2010, there is a transaction in the amount of 2,001,563.86 pesos. Centavos.
Third transaction is confirmed.
And we inform that there is a transaction on May 14, 2008 in the amount of 2,114,168.43.
Confirmed again, appearing in the report.
So that's the 5th one po, Madam Chair.
That's
So
the
the
fifth.
last for,
So
Annex
far we
B.
have 13 out of 13 transactions randomly selected by the Honorable Dilima, but confirmed to be existing at least as similar transactions in the AMLC report. Ready to continue, AMLC?
Madam Chair, may we ask the the Congressman De Lima if we can get again the accounts in Annex A? We were not able to jot down.
Annex A.
Yes po. Also, these are also 5 transactions. Number 9, page 1 of Annex A. 55,131,747.32, March 28, 2014. Got it po? The second one po, number 16, page 1, 41,721,035.62, October 7, 2013. Third, randomly selected entry at page 3, number 44, page 3, amount of 53,817,613.48, February 25, 2010. Fourth, at page 4, number 60, amount of 52,485,191.85, April 14, 2009. And the fifth one, also at page 4, number 64, 49,281,009.98, May 22, 2007. 5 randomly selected entries from Annex A, joint account of Rodrigo Duterte and Sara Duterte.
Do you need more time? Ready to answer?
Yes, Madam Chair.
You may proceed.
We confirm that for all the dates and amounts mentioned, there are similar transactions existing in the AMLC report.
Okay. What annex is this again?
Annex
Annex
A.
So 5 out of 5 transactions randomly selected by Honorable De Lima from Annex A is confirmed by the AMLC, at least that similar transactions appear in their report. Are there any other subject of confirmations? No more.
Marami po kasi ito, that's why I just randomly selected 5 from each of the annexes.
So in total, how many transactions have been confirmed?
There are 4 annexes, so 5 times 4, 20,
Plus 3.
plus 3.
So
No,
total of 23 transactions were subject matter of request for confirmation.
Kasama na po doon yung 3, yung sa
Yes.
Sami Uy. So 20.
23 out
20.
of 23.
Oh, 18.
18.
Sorry po,
You just
18, because Annex A, Annex B, Annex H, and Annex I. So 4, 3 times 5, 1 is only 3. So 18.
Do you confirm that? Total of 18 transactions?
We informed earlier that there are 18 transactions mentioned that
Okay.
that one we mentioned are existing in our report.
So
based on
for
our
the
report only.
record, 18 out of 18 transactions randomly selected from the annexes of Sinumpang Salaysay of Honorable Trillanes were confirmed by the AMLC, at least to the extent that similar transactions appear in their report. That is for the record.